Hello everyone, I am Miles Morgan Salva, a DPA student from University of Santo Tomas Legazpi Graduate School. In today's fast-paced digital business environment, collaboration is the key to success. Whether you're part of a startup, a marketing agency, or a global enterprise, choosing the right tool for creative teamwork can make all the difference. Today, we'll explore the three powerful tools that enhance the digital business collaboration. First, we have the Figma. Second, we have the Canva for Teams. And third, we have the Adobe Creative Cloud. So by the end of this speech, you'll know exactly which tools fits your business needs best. So let's dive in.
Let's start with a quick breakdown of each tool. First, Figma. Best for UI UX designers, enabling real-time for collaboration in a browser-based platform, perfect for digital product development. Second, Canva for Teams. Ideal for marketing and branding teams, allowing seamless creation of digital content for social media, websites, and ads. Third, Adobe Creative Cloud, the go-to for professional designers and digital businesses requiring advanced tools for content creation, including graphics, videos, and animation. Each platform has its strengths. Figma is great for prototyping, Canva speed up the digital content creation, and Adobe delivers unparalleled professional designs capability. Now, how are these tools used in real-world digital business scenarios? Figma is widely adopted by SaaS companies and e-commerce businesses for developing user-friendly applications and websites. Canva for Teams help digital marketing agencies and entrepreneurs quickly create engaging content for online branding and advertising. Adobe Creative Cloud powers digital media firms, video production companies, and global brands that need high-end creative assets for digital campaigns. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here's what to consider. Figma, fantastic for UI UX collaboration but requires a stable internet connection. Canva, easy to use but lacks customization for intricate design projects. Adobe, industry standard yet expensive and has steep learning curve. Additionally, digital businesses may face adoption barriers, including employer resistance, learning curves, and adaptability issues with existing workflows. So, how do you successfully integrate these tools into your digital business? First, assess the business needs. Choose the right tool based on your digital business objectives and targets. Second, onboard and train. Provide tutorials and hands-on training to ensure smooth adoption. Third, integrate with workflow. Connect these tools with CRM, project management, and cloud storage platform so seamless digital operation. And last, monitor and optimize. Gather feedback, measure efficiency, and refine digital business processes. The impact? Enhance collaboration, increase efficiency, and optimize costs, all leading to better digital content, stronger brand presence, and faster project execution. In today's digital business world, selecting the right collaboration tool is essential for success. Whether it's Figma for product development, Canva for marketing, or Adobe Creative Cloud for professional content creation. Each platforms play a vital role. Want to learn more or see these tools in action? Let's connect and discuss how they can transform your business. Again, this is Miles Morgan Gisalva, a DBA student. Thank you for watching and let's innovate together.